We were sent this breast pump by Momcozy to review, and I'm super excited because I just had a good friend who had a baby, and I cannot wait for her to try this. I just opened it up and took a quick peek, and honestly, I can't even believe what I am looking at because I have seen many breast pumps before, and none of them have looked like this. So you have two cups here, and the coolest thing is the size. Basically, they are small enough that you can just slip this inside your bra. So you're not standing there holding the pump. You're not hooked up to any machines. This is all hands-free and can be done while you are doing other things around the house, which of course as a busy mom is something that is a huge plus. All you have to do is hook up the tubes and then you have a remote. And you just turn it on and it does what it needs to do. All the milk is collected inside here and you have these nice silicone comfortable parts here. You even have at the bottom two other ones so that you can be changing and cleaning so you're not sitting there like waiting and only using these ones. And yeah, it just collects the milk. Super easy, super fast, comfortable, and just like, yeah, hands-free, which is so massive for moms. A+.